So after listening to my nice voice for so long and watching the videos without doing anything, it's up to you to test the stuff that you just learned, hopefully. So please log into your test account. I hope you got it already. Very important. Please set up a second user, like I told you in a lecture before. And if you're ready, then let's go. Otherwise, go back to the lectures, watch the videos and do it. Get the test account, set up a user, and come back to that lecture here. Otherwise, we proceed like this. We just go to sales, and you go to customers. Yours is blank, I guess, so let's create a customer. Like I told you earlier, we won't dig deeper into this right now. I will explain later how to set up proper contact data and partner contacts. So for right now, let's just stick to message tests. Save it. You don't need that much information. Oh, sorry. And what you would need is an email address for that person. It's just a fake email address. So the communication system will work. You see that right now. So please set that up. And now we send a message. If you deactivated the portal function, what I told you in a video earlier, you have that option to check or not check this. But anyways, it's a fake email address. But please make sure if you set it up, there's at least a fake email address in there. So if we would write a message right here, it wouldn't show up in our inbox, because it would make sense. Everything we comment, we will get in our own inbox. So we just make another workaround. We use that one. So we don't send it to them, we send it to ourselves. So please type in the username you chose. That's my one. Say hello and click send. So now go to the left and you will see that in your inbox. From right now, second thing is you reply. We don't send it to the customer, so nice. It's nice talking to myself and chatting with myself. So now you could go back via sales up here, or you click on that. If you click on that, remember this will vanish from your inbox. So let's try. Go here, it vanishes, and this is how you see it. Right? First thing, the partner was created, of course. The second thing is my message I sent in the system. Like I said before, there's an internal ID, so every message you send from here will go down here. And the reply, of course, as well. So I hope this works so far. And the second thing that we're doing right now, when you set up an additional user, we like to add a follower. So I don't know how you named it. In this case, I do it like this. Add as a follower. Sometimes it takes a while. Right now, he's in here. Perfect. Now you go back to your inbox. So we test everything I told you before. The message is gone, but you forgot something and you would like to read it again. So, hello dude. And sometimes if there's too much information below one message, you have show one more message or 20 more messages, So expands if you click on there. And I want to have that in my inbox again. Please do that. So it pulls the main message plus the sub message. And now, oh, he was so nice, I want to reply again. Mark it as to do. You see it? Say, okay, fine. Here again, sometimes you have to refresh. And now your inbox is empty. You tested creating a message, reply to a message, mark as to do, and you added a follower. So if you got it, perfect. If not, just get back to the lectures and have a look on it. Maybe you made a small mistake or something.